Find the number of integral solutions for the equation mod a plus mod b equivalent to 15. What is that we did it? The concept is mod a plus mod b equivalent to k. The total number of integral solutions will be, the total number of integral solutions will be 4 into k. The total number of integral solutions will be 4 into k. 4 into k. Why it is 4 into k? We have seen it. Now we will see the traditional method also. Mod a plus mod b equivalent to 15. How to solve it traditional method? So that we will also solve for 3 variables. Mod a plus mod b equivalent to 15. Case number 1. Case number 1. No variable is 0. If no variable is 0, this will become a plus b is equivalent to 15. 15 means positive integral solutions will be 14c1. This is a. Inside it can be plus, inside it can be minus into 2. Inside it can be plus, inside it can be negative into 2. 14 into 4 is nothing but 56. Case number 1, no variable 0. I got the answer as 56. Case number 2. Say one variable is equivalent to 0. If one variable is equivalent to 0, let a is equivalent to 0. Mod b equivalent to 15. That means b will be either 15 or minus 15. 2 cases. A can be 0, b can be 0. 2 into 2, it is 4. Here I got 56 cases, here 4 cases. Case 1 or case 2. 56 plus 4. Answer is nothing but 60. Answer is nothing but 60. Mod a plus mod b equivalent to 15. No variable is 0. So a plus b equivalent to 15, which is 14c1. A will be inside plus, inside minus. Inside plus, inside minus. 14c1 into 4 is 56. One variable it is 0. If a is 0, mod b is 15, b will be plus 15 or minus 15. Similarly, if b is 0, a will be plus 15, a will be minus 15. So here it is 4. 56 plus 4, it is nothing but 60. Answer for this question is nothing but 60. I hope it is clear. This method, we will use it for 3 variables. Listen carefully. Very first we will take an example, then we will solve this question. With example you will understand it clearly step by step. Mod a plus mod b plus mod c equivalent to 8. Find the number of integral solution for the equation mod a plus mod b plus mod c equivalent to 8. Step number 1. Step number 1. Say no variable is 0. Assume no variable, it is 0. If no variable, if it is 0, all will be positive. So if the equation modulus always gives a positive value, a plus b plus c equivalent to 8. A, b, c is greater than or equivalent to 1. So I will get 7 gaps, 2 cuts, 7c2. This is a means inside plus a, inside minus a. Output will be positive. Inside plus b, inside minus b. Inside plus c, inside minus c. So no variable 0. I got the answer as 7c2 into 8. First case. Step number 1. Step number 2. Say one variable equivalent to 0. Say one variable equivalent to 0. If one variable is equivalent to 0, let a equivalent to 0. Mod b plus mod c is equivalent to 8. Modulus always returns a positive value. So it is b plus c equivalent to 8. 8 means 7c1. Inside positive, inside negative. Inside positive, inside negative. So this will be 7c1 into 2 into 2 into 3. Why into 3 came? Either a can be 0 or b can be 0 or c can be 0. This is when one variable it is 0. I hope it is clear. Step number 3. Step number 3. Say two variables it is 0. If two variables if it is 0. Two variables if it is 0. Let a comma b equivalent to 0. let a comma b equivalent to 0. I got mod c equivalent to 15. So two answers I will get. A comma b 0, b comma c 0, a comma c 0. 2 into 3 it is nothing but 6. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. Say one variable, no variable 0. Say one variable 0 and say two variables 0. 3 variables 0, it is not possible, because if 3 variables, if it is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, I will get the answer 0. So answer is nothing but no variable, it is 0. One variable, it is nothing but 7c1 into 4 into 3, which is nothing but 12. Next is nothing but 2 into 3. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. So this method of making one variable 0, two variables 0, three variables 0 can also be used for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, and the process continues. For 2 variables, 4k is the direct method. 4k is the direct method for 2 variables. For 3 variables, there is this is the method to be followed. This is the method to be followed. I hope the idea it is clear. No variable 0, one variable 0 and two variables 0. Yes, Naveen, that 4k method is the optimized version for a 2 variables. It is an optimized version for a 2 variables. For 3 variables, this is the method to follow. No variable 0, one variable 0 and 2 variables 0. Now let us solve this question. Otherwise, you will skip this question thinking that it is a difficult question. Step number 1. Step number 1. Mod A plus mod B plus mod C equivalent to 15. Say no variable 0. If it is no variable, if it is 0, go step by step, you will get the answer. Modulus always gives a positive value. A plus B plus C is 15. So answer is 14C2. A can be positive, inside A can be negative. 2 into 2 into 2. 14C2 into 8 is when the no variable it is 0. Step number 1. Step number 2. Say one variable 0. Say one variable 0. If one variable, if it is 0, let A equivalent to 0. So this will become mod B plus mod C, it is nothing but 15. 15 it is nothing but 14C1 into 2 into 2. One variable 0, A0, B0, C0. 14C1 into 2 into 2 into 3. Step number 3. Step number 3. Say 2 variables 0. If 2 variables, if it is 0, this is nothing but let A comma B is equivalent to 0, mod C equivalent to 15. 2 cases, AB 0, BC 0, CC AC 0. 2 into 3. So answer is nothing but 14C2 into 8 plus 14C1 into 12 plus 3 into 2. Easily you will get the answer if you understood the approach. I hope this concept is clear. Everybody kindly reply. Today's class is little on the advanced level. Watch the entire class, sir, because these are the problems which most of you leave it because it comes in the examination, it comes in the mock papers. But once you understand it, it's very easy. Now let us see one more question based upon this one. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve graph. Find the area of the region bounded by the graph. First one, mod x plus mod y is equivalent to 12. Mod x plus mod y is equivalent to 12. Next question, mod x minus 7 plus mod y plus 9 is equivalent to 12. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 12. Mod x minus 7 plus mod y plus 9 equivalent to 12. Already we have seen in the previous class, this is nothing but a rhombus. This is nothing but a rhombus. This is nothing but if y is 0, x will be 12. X can also take negative, minus 12 comma 0. If x is 0, y will be 12. y can also be negative, 0 and minus 12. There are, this is nothing but 12, these 12, these 12, these 12. Totally 4 right angles it is formed. 4 into half into. Base is nothing but 12, height is nothing but 12. So it is 2 into 144. Answer is nothing but 288 square units. Answer is nothing but 288 square units. I hope it is clear. So these nothing but at a point 0 comma 0. These nothing at a point 0 7 comma minus 9. So if I shift the origin, if I shift the origin, area of the graph will not change. Area of the graph will not change. Area of the graph will not change. So answer is similar to half of 12 into 12 into 4. Answer is still 288 square units. Answer is still 288 square units. If you shift the graph or if you rotate the graph, if you shift the graph or if you rotate the graph, shifting the graph or rotating the graph, which all will not change, please make a note. Number of integral points will not change. Number of integral points will not change. Area of the graph will not change. Number of integral points will not change. Area of the graph will not change, will not be affected. Please write down, sir. Area of the graph will not be affected. Area of the graph will not be affected. If you shift the graph or if you rotate the graph, the value of the integral points might change, which is x plus x dash, y plus y dash, or x equivalent to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y equivalent to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Shifting the graph or rotating the graph, number of integral points will not change. Area of the graph will not change. I hope it is clear. Find the area of the region. Modulus, I hope it is clear. Now let us write one concept. Please write down. Binomial expansion. First write down a concept. Binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. Suppose if you see a plus b whole square, this is nothing but a square b power 0 2ab 2a power 1 b power 1 plus a power 0 b power 2. Another example we will take. A plus b power 3. A plus b power 3 is a cube b power 0, 3a square b power 1, 3ab square plus a power 0 b power 3. A power 0 b power 3. Now if you see here, can I say the generic term is always given by k into a power x and b power y. If it is a plus b whole square, if it is a plus b whole square, in that one x plus y will be equivalent to 2. Yes or no? 2 plus 0 is equivalent to 2. 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. 0 plus 2 equivalent to 2. And the power can also take 0. And the power can also take 0. Similarly, if it is a plus b power 3, a plus b power 3, sum of the powers should be equivalent to the power given in the left hand side. X plus y equivalent to 3. xy greater than or equivalent to 0. Yes or no? Right? Sum of these powers should be equivalent to the power present in the left hand side. Because x plus y equivalent to 2, xy greater than or equivalent to 0, add 1, 2. So this will become 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is nothing but 3c1. There are 3 terms in this expansion. Here x plus y equivalent to 3, xy greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than or equivalent to 0 means add 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is nothing but 4c1. Here there are 4 terms in this expansion. 4 terms in this expansion. Please write down. Total number of terms. Please write down. Total number of terms in the expansion. Once you understand, it's easy. total number of terms in the expansion is nothing but the total number of non-negative integral solutions, for the powers of variables, variables given in the question is a and b. Power of the variable is nothing but x and y. X plus y should be equivalent to 2. xy can also be taking 0. X plus y equivalent to 2, x comma y greater than or equivalent to 0. This is the generic term k into a power x into b power y. Sum of the powers should be equivalent to the power in the left hand side, so x plus y equivalent to 2. Power can also take 0, so xy greater than or equivalent to 0. Here xy greater than or equivalent to 0. I hope this idea it is clear. Please put a star mark, sir. Total number of terms in the expansion is nothing but total number of non-negative integral solution for the powers of the variables. Total number of terms, it is nothing but total number of non-negative integral solution for the powers of the variables. Now, based upon this one, let us solve the question. Find the total number of terms in this expansion. First, we will write the generic term. Generic term is nothing but k into a power x, b power y, c power z, d power w. Sum of the powers x plus y plus z plus w is equivalent to the power given in the question. Powers can also take 0. x, y, z, w greater than or equivalent to 0. 0 means we have to add 1. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. Answer is nothing but 18 balls are there. There are 17 gaps. So answer is nothing but 17C3. Total number of terms in an expansion can be easily found by understanding that number of distinct terms is given by number of non-negative integral solution for the powers of the variables. Number of non-negative integral solutions for the powers of the variables. This is the generic term. I hope the idea is clear. Directly you can write the answer. Direct answer is nothing but how many values are there? 4 variables are there. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 balls are there. 17 gaps. Answer is 17C3. Answer is 17C3. Directly you will get 4 variables are there. Each variable it will take 1, 1, 1, 1. So 14 plus 4 18. Answer is 17C3. Answer is 17C3. Again, second example. This is a cat original question, sir. This is a cat original question. So the generic term is given by it is given by k into a power x into b power y into c power z. Sum of the powers is x plus y plus z is nothing but 20. X is greater than or equivalent to 0. Y also it is 0. Z also it is 0. So it is plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. Answer is nothing but 22C2, which is 22 into 21 by 2, which is answer is 231. Answer is 231. I hope the idea it is clear how to find the number of terms in the generic expansion. How to find the number of terms in the generic expansion. I hope it is clear, right? How to find the number of distinct terms. Now, how to find the number of distinct positive terms? Another variety of question. How to find the number of distinct positive terms? Generic term is nothing but k into a power x into b power y into minus c power z. This is nothing but k into minus 1 power z into a power x into b power y into c power z. Right? So first we will do total number of terms. We will do. In that total number of terms, we will also do total number of positive terms we will do, positive terms we will do, and we will also do total number of negative terms, total number of negative terms, because it is minus c, there could be a negative terms. Total number of terms is nothing but x plus y plus z is equivalent to 8, xyz greater than or equivalent to 0. So plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 is nothing but 10c2. 10c2 is nothing but 10 into 9 by 2. Total number of terms are nothing but 45. Total number of terms are nothing but 45. Now see here, how to determine the total number of positive terms. This is the generic term, k into minus 1 power z into a power x into b power y into c power z. Because it is positive, z should be even. Minus 1 power even, it should be, it will result in positive. I hope it is clear. Total number of negative terms, negative means z will be odd. This is the first understanding. So x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, it is nothing but 8. X plus y plus z is 2k, 2k equivalent to 8, 2k equivalent to 8. xy, xy and k all are greater than or equivalent to 0. So x plus y is equivalent to 8 minus 2k, 8 minus 2k. If k is 0, I will get 8. If k is 1, I will get 6. K is 2, I will get 4. K is 3, I will get 2. K is 4, I will get 0. I will get 0. I hope you are all there with me. K value cannot be greater than 4. So k can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X comma y is greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than means 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is nothing but 9. X plus y equivalent to 6. Xy greater than or equivalent to 0. Plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. It is nothing but 7. 9, 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. 16, 21, 20, 4, 9, 18. These nothing but total number of positive terms are 25. Total number of negative terms will be 20. Total number of negative terms is nothing but total number of terms minus total number of positive terms. 45 minus 25, it is nothing but 20. Or you can also do by using this one. Z is nothing but odd. So it is nothing but x plus y plus 2k plus 1 equivalent to 8. X plus y equivalent to 7 minus 2k. 7 minus 2k. K can be 0, which is 7. K can be 1, which is 5. K can be 2, which is 3. K can be 3, which is nothing but 1. 7 means xy greater than or equivalent to 0. 7 plus 2, which is nothing but 9. 9 means 8. Gaps will be there. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. 14, 18, 20. Total number of negative terms is nothing but 20. Total number of negative terms is nothing but 20. I hope the idea it is clear. It is not only in determining the total number of terms, you can also determine total number of positive terms, and you can also determine total number of negative terms. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. Otherwise, I will solve this problem again. Generic term is nothing but k into a power x into b power y into minus c power z. This is nothing but k into minus 1 power z into a power x into b power y into c power z. Case number 1. Total number of positive terms. Total number of positive terms. Answer should be positive. That means minus 1 power z should be positive. That means z will be even. Any even number is of the form 2k. Any even number can be of the form 2k. Minus 1 power 0 is also 1. Z can also take 0. So x plus y plus z, it should be equivalent to the power. X plus y plus z is 8. X plus y plus 2k, it is nothing but 8. That means x plus y, it is nothing but 8 minus 2k. X plus y, it is nothing but 8 minus 2k. If k is 0, this is nothing but x plus y equivalent to 8. Power can also take 0. X, y, z greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than 0 means we have to add 1. 8 plus 2, which is 10. 10 balls are there. So answer is nothing but 9. If k is 1, this is nothing but x plus y is nothing but 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is nothing but 7. So 9, 2 decrease 7, 2 decrease 5, 2 decrease 3, 2 decrease 1. 16, 21, 24, 25. I hope, Naveen, it is clear. I repeated the positive term part again for you. Everybody kindly reply if this logic is clear to you. Answer is nothing but total number of positive terms in this expansion is nothing but 25. Kindly reply, sir. Make a habit of replying in the live chat in case if you have understood the concept or you got any doubt. Everybody kindly reply. Today's class is little on the advanced level, so I will explain it very, very slowly, but once you understand, these concepts are very, very clear to you. Now, with this understanding, let us solve one more question. Find the number of distinct negative terms in the expansion. So, these is nothing but k into a power x into minus b power y into minus c power z. So, k into minus y 1 power y plus z into a power x into b power y into c power z. Y plus z should be an odd number. Y plus z should be an odd number. X plus y plus z, it is nothing but 8. It is nothing but 8. So, these is nothing but 8 is an even number. Y plus z is also an odd number. That means x should be an odd number. Odd plus odd only can be even. So, y plus z, x is an odd number. So, plus 2k plus 1 equivalent to 8. These is nothing but y plus z equivalent to 7 minus 2k. Y plus z is nothing but 7 minus 2k. X, y, z are greater than or equivalent to 0. So, y plus z is nothing but 7 minus 2k. One by one we will solve. K value 0. Y plus z is nothing but 7. 7 means y0, z0. 7 plus 2, 9, which is 8c1. K value 1. Y plus z will become 5. 5 y0, z0. 7. It is nothing but 6c1. So, answer is 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. Total number of distinct terms in this expansion, it is nothing but 20. Total number of distinct negative terms in this expansion, it is nothing but 20. I hope it is clear. You don't need to fear looking at these questions. These are all very, very easy questions if you understand the idea of this one. What is the entire concept? Number of distinct terms. Number of distinct terms is nothing but the total number of non-negative integral solutions. 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 I hope it is clear, right? Idea it is clear. Now, in the examination, the reason why I said is, right, the question that is asked is, find the total number of terms. Find the total number of terms in the expansion. Find the total number of terms in the expansion a plus b plus c power 8 plus a minus b minus c power 8 minus c power 8. Here I got 45 terms positive. 45 terms positive. Here I got 25 terms negative. 25 terms negative. So this will be plus 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 plus. 25 terms will be eliminated. So what will be the final answer? Total number of terms in this expansion, it is nothing but 45, 25 negatives will go away. In 45 there will be 20 positive and 25 positive. 25 positive. Here 25 negatives will come. 25 negatives will come. This will be eliminated. 25 positive, 25 negative will be eliminated. Plus will be eliminated with minus. Answer is 20. I hope these, how to find out the number of distinct terms by using binomial expansion. I hope it is clear.